First one is really easy one. This is cup, a cup. In Japanese we say koppu. So let's have a piece of paper, origami. Alright, so a cup, please make a triangle shape, and really importantly, you are going to meet the point really perfectly. And push each line. And then bring right corner to the left corner of the shoulder of the triangle, and left corner to the right shoulder, and then bring one piece of paper towards you, and flip it over, bring the other side towards you, the triangle part. Find the pocket, and this is the cup. Easy cup. So this is, you can actually put some items into the cup. Next, I am going to tell you how to hold the envelope/letter.